Hello traders, welcome back to your channel Trade and Grow. This is my daily video. Since today is the turn of English, that is why I will uh, give all information in this language. This is my Trade and Grow channel page, and you can see here that in this channel I provide memberships, and memberships in community bar I post my total analysis. If you take membership from this tab and you this is a join button, you have to use this button for joining, and whatever you want to know about membership, you just click this membership tab, you will get all the informations. And this is the community tab where you can get all my charts. You will get the access to see all my charts which I post uh, every day in evening. This is the way you can get all information regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty, and even the trading plan of Nifty, how to trade in the Nifty also. For live updates, if you want live updates along with this chart, then you will have to contact me on @YWatsG on TG, @YWatsG on TG. Let us start the video first. I will talk about the yesterday marking. Whatever the marking I gave yesterday, I'll show you the marking first, then I will show you how the marking worked today after one day. So let us start with this marking, and I take you to the community bar. This is the community tab, and you can see I posted these two charts. This is a chart of Bank Nifty. Just see all the markings, whatever the marking I gave here, that is in front of you. Halt number 1 in the blue color or yellow color, and this is the zone 1, and this is halt number 2, okay, and this is halt number 4, and this is zone 2. All markings are in front of you. Just keep some of the readings in your mind, and you can resemble the same reading on the chart also. Let me take you to the chart. This is a chart of Bank Nifty. If you can see the same marking here, zone 1, the halt number 1 yellow color, okay, now pink color, halt number 2, halt number 3, and halt this is zone 2. The same marking which you saw on the community tab, same is here. Okay, let us discuss how this marking worked today, and what a concrete information my markings provide you every day. You can see yourself and judge yourself, because nobody is more accurate as you can judge the marking. This is the first candle of the day. Market opened at from this candle. Just check the accuracy. Why market took support of this halt number 2? Check the support and reached to halt number 1. I have already told in my all videos that whenever I put any halt, it means it will either act as resistance or support depending upon the situation. Now you can see here, in this case it acted as resistance, okay, and after that, when this resistance was broken, and you see the move towards the zone 1, and once the importance of this support or resistance get over from the halt, then I do not say that whether the next time when the price will come to that level will it work or not. That I do not say. But if you check the track record of my halts, every time if the price come to the halts, they work beautifully. They never ditch you. Basically what I am talking about ditching is that if the price come at this level and comes at this point, then it comes at this point and make like this whipsaws. This is called ditching. If you check my videos, you will never find even a halt. Basically I never say that halt cannot ditch. Yes, halt can give you the confused statements after testing one time, whether it's upside or downside. After that it will give you the confusion it can create the confusion like this whipsaws. But if you see the track record, you will never find any of my halt is giving you this sort of whipsaws and creating confusion in your analysis. That is the best part of my marking. When I mark anything on the chart, it will not confuse you. It will give you clear information that I show you in every video also. And same I will show you here also. Those who are joining first time, they can see how accurate the markings are and give you the concrete information regarding the trade. Check here. This is the resistance point, okay, and this is the support point of the halt. Price took support and it took resistance at this point. After taking resistance, here price made a support and give you this move. But and check it, this move already got finished inside the zone. The price could not take this zone out. It could not take. You see, the whole day price remained between this zone and the halt. Can you see the accuracy? Can you see the accuracy? I never claimed that my after testing first time the this halt will work accurately every time. I never claim it, but see the accuracy of the halts, the marking, the beauty of the marking, that whole day price came here and it did not confuse like this whipsaws. It is clear. See, check here this point, if you can see, this is providing support. It did not provide you any whipsaws. See here, it clearly provided support. It did not provide you like this and this whipsaws. So this is the marking. And check the zone, it is acting as resistance. It is acting as resistance. In this case, you see, in the Bank Nifty case, can you imagine why I put yellow color halt number 1 here and zone here? Why did not I make? I could extend the zone to this level. I can say this is the one zone, but I did not say. Just check this point. I did not say I made a separate zone and one separate halt. Why I made this? I could do this by covering it and telling you this is zone number 1, but I did not do it. Why I did not do it? It is the question for answer. My audience, my viewers, you are watching this video, I ask you, can you give me the answer of this? Because I manifested my moves in such a way that how price will behave one day after my manifestation, that I know. In every video I know how price will behave. That is why I made this. I knew that price will react in the range bound condition between these two things. That is why I made it. I was so confident that price will make like this. Even in my Telegram channel, I informed in morning itself that price is going into the complex structure, in the complex corrective structure. So you cannot say that today is going to be a trending day, and same proved. Just check the accuracy. Any time price did not come out from this yellow zone, and when this yellow halt the price came down, then what happened? It did not confuse you. When it came down, it came to this point. See, this is the perfection. It will never confuse you. It will give you the confidence. My marking will give you the confidence that yes, go in that direction when it is breached. Though in this move, this what I call that is the risk reward ratio does not match in this move, because this is the EMA that is in front of move. So risk reward does not match, but still marking gave the full concrete information that since it is breached and you saw the selling. Although the entry point is difficult here because the risk reward ratio does not suit. You will enter after this candle only. Then where will be your risk reward? Risk reward ratio is not matching because this is the support level. I have already put this halt here, and you can see this is the EMA. That is why the risk reward ratio does not match here. This entry is not for the sellers. But if you forget about these other aspects of my analysis, you will find that these markings are working so beautifully. Not in Bank Nifty, in Nifty also the same thing. I have been proving for last more than 45 days. Any day, just go and check my videos. You will never find any day failed my marking. My marking did not fail any time, whether it is the charted territory or uncharted territory. People are not able to mark their chart in charted territory. I can mark the chart in uncharted territory where the price did not go even a single time. Even in that territory, I can mark my charts with the similar clarity, with the similar results. That is the main point of my marking. So this is how the today's trading went with my charts. Okay. The question in this video is why I made zone and this halt so close and price respected it. This is a matter of thinking. Just think and write in comment box. I would like to see your comments on this aspect also. Let us discuss now the Nifty, whatever the chart I posted on yesterday evening. In yesterday evening, I posted the chart of Bank Nifty. Let us see what I posted. Basically, yesterday I had some problem in uploading the chart. That is why I could not give you the plan of Nifty. So I am extremely sorry for this because I am having some problem in uploading the chart. I uploaded these charts very late. That is why I could not make the plan of Nifty and I did not provide it. But I would like to tell all my members that be patient. If I did not provide any information on the chart, you just don't jump on the conclusion. I'm a human being. I am having some problem. Just realize also this. Okay. Now see, this is the marking which I provided yesterday. Just the clear marking: halt 1, halt 2, halt 3. There is no zone in this. The beauty of my marking is that sometimes I make zone, sometimes I do not make mock. I use only halts. This is the beauty of my marking. Just check it. This is the chart of the Nifty, and I show you. Keep the marking in your mind so that you can resemble these marking on the chart also. And just check the chart of Nifty also, how the Nifty chart worked. Basically, the Nifty chart gave you more correct information, more confidence in the trade because there is no EMA and other things in front of that move. But in Bank Nifty, there were some other criteria which did not let you to take a good position in Bank Nifty. But in case of Nifty, you have that privilege for this case, for today's case, that you could enter in this move. See, same marking: halt 1, halt 2, halt 3 and halt 4. Same marking is there. And check it how the price behaved. Price opened from this bar, and what happened? It took resistance. And check the information. How the actually you need to understand how to extract the information from the chart. Until and unless you do not know how to extract the information, you cannot use my marking. Check it properly. This is the resistance. Price took resistance here, and it is the clear breach of candle. When this candle was clearly breached like this, it means price is going to move upside to this level. Okay, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. In 4 candles, price is at this level. Then price came down. This is the clear breakout. Now what happened? This candle shows the clear breakout of this halt, and what happened? The price remained almost 4 hours in this territory. Just check the information. Price broke it. It means when price broke it, it is now acting as a support. My markings beauty is that when the when it will provide you the clear information of break, then it will act as support or resistance depending upon the situation. The same thing happened here. This big candle broke it, giving you the clear indication that now the resistance has turned to the support, and the same thing happened. It gave support almost 3 to 4 hours. Price could not breach it. Check it. That is the information price gives you. Had the price taken out this area, then it would have moved upside. Since the price could not take out this area, that is why it moved down. And check it here also. When the price broke it, it did not give you the whipsaw movement like this. It came straightforward down. That is the beauty of the chart. That is the beauty of marking, which gives you the clear crystal picture of movement of price. Please go to any channel and check what they give to you and what I am giving to you. If you want my support for the live updates, if you are not able to make money even from these charts by these marking, then join my channel. Join my channel. That is the paid service. I will create money for you. Join my channel then. If you want the support, if you have the marking and my support, definitely you will land in a profit at the end of the month. It is the commitment. You will land in profit. If you are having these two information with you in trading, you will definitely land in the profit at the end of the month. So if you are unable to make money from the marking, then join me. I am helping the struggling traders who are inconsistent in making profit. I will definitely land you in profit after 1 month, and I will decrease all your losses also. Whatever the losses you are making, that also will be decreased. Finally, you will be a profitable trader. That's what you want. I will make you consistent. Just join my channel and be part of it. Don't struggle yourself because this is the stock market. Very few traders get success in this market until unless you have a good support. If you do not have the good support, then I am here to provide you. Just join my channel. Now see, after this, what happened? The price came down, and again price from this level came to upside. This is how the Nifty worked. Clear. Just see the clarity of the movement of the price. How I made the outline and price followed it with very clear information. This information is given that this is converted the support zone. It means price should move upside. Since the price could not take this area out, that is why it came down. Had it taken out this area, then it would move upside. That is the clear information which is in front of you. But that information is not available in Bank Nifty, because in Bank Nifty there were other factors which were restricting you to take positions, because the risk reward ratio does not match in Bank Nifty. But in Nifty today, the risk reward ratio was excellent. There is no, because you can see the difference of two zones. In Bank Nifty, this difference is very narrow. That is why the risk reward ratio does not match. But in Nifty, this gap is quite big. That is why the risk reward ratio matches here. So this is how the things work. And let me discuss about the What's 5-minute intraday techniques. I have developed two types of techniques. First, for the timings. If you know the timings, you would be able to time your trade with the help of this marking. If you do not know the timings, then come to me. I will help you. I will join my channel. I will create money for you. And the second part is cycles, to give you the direction, clear direction. Let us discuss about the cycles. Those who are following me on the cycles also, they should sync. They can sync their chart. I am showing you. See, yesterday I told you this is your first test, and this was the point where I told you that it might become a second test. But with this movement, price gave the extension in this part. because this is a counter move, and counter move means first testing of subtest, second testing, and third testing, and then price tested it second time. This is how the price is going. This is first testing, this is second testing. Now this this is the testing. This testing can be extended to downside. It can extend to downside. If the price takes out this level, then this correction would be complete. The counter trend correction would complete only when this area will be taken out. Since this area is not taken out, it can extend to downside also. Okay, so this is the point from the counter trend move, and the counter trend move started from this point, and first testing happened here. Then the first testing went into the extension, first extension, second extension, third extension, and now this is the second point of testing, and then first extension, second extension, and third extension. These are the three extension. It could extend to any point. If this point is complete, then price would move upside. If this is not complete, then price will move down tomorrow also. Had this price is completed and this correction is completed at this point, then price would move upside. Simple. Everything is clear with the Vats 5-minute intraday techniques. If you follow these techniques, you can make your journey easy in trading. Even after you do not get your journey easy, then join my live support. I will give you live support in which you will not lose your money. Instead of that, you will land in profit after 1 month. So with this, I sum up my video. I will meet you tomorrow. Till then, good day, goodbye.